In this dynamic landscape of online content creation, YouTube remains a powerhouse for creators. As we venture into 2024, the platform's algorithm has undergone notable updates, making it crucial for creators to adapt their strategies. This script aims to unravel the secrets of rapid growth on YouTube in the current year, emphasizing the importance of staying ahead in this ever-evolving environment. Section 1. Understanding the YouTube algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is the gatekeeper to visibility. In 2024, it not only prioritizes watch time, but also values user satisfaction, encouraging creators to focus on content quality. Tailoring video titles, descriptions, and tags to align with algorithmic preferences becomes paramount. Creators should stay informed about the latest algorithm updates to strategically position their content for optimal reach and engagement. Section 2. Content strategy for success. Crafting a successful content strategy starts with identifying a niche and understanding the target audience. In 2024, the competition is fierce, making it essential for creators to differentiate themselves. Attention-grabbing thumbnails and high-quality content are non-negotiable. Staying abreast of trends and adapting content to remain relevant ensures that creators capture and retain viewer interest. Section 3. Mastering SEO and Keywords. YouTube SEO is a game-changer for growth. Creators must conduct thorough keyword research to identify phrases relevant to their content. Integrating these keywords naturally into video scripts and descriptions enhances discoverability. In 2024, mastering the art of SEO is not just about keywords, but understanding user intent and delivering content that aligns with it. Section 4. Harnessing social media and collaboration. Social media serves as a powerful ally. Creators should strategically promote their videos on various platforms, tapping into wider audiences. Collaborations with fellow YouTubers open doors to new viewership, fostering a mutually beneficial community. Effective cross-promotion can amplify reach, providing a significant boost to channel growth. Section 5. Consistent upload schedule and viewer interaction. Before we go ahead, please be sure to like and subscribe us, and drop a motivational comment for us. So, consistency is key in the YouTube game. Establishing and sticking to a regular upload schedule builds anticipation among subscribers. Viewer interaction is equally crucial. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and engaging with the audience fosters a sense of community. In 2024, creators should focus not just on content creation, but also on nurturing a loyal and interactive audience. Section 6. Analytics and iterative improvement. YouTube analytics is the compass guiding creators through the digital wilderness. Regular and meticulous analysis of data unveils patterns and trends in viewer behavior. This data-driven approach is not merely about passive observation. It's about iterative improvement. Creators armed with actionable insights from analytics can adjust their strategies based on performance metrics. In a landscape that undergoes constant evolution, this adaptability is the lifeline that ensures creators not only remain relevant, but continue to surpass the expectations of their audience. The journey of growth on YouTube in 2024 is not a linear path, but a continuous cycle of analysis, adaptation, and improvement. Mastering the art of growing a YouTube channel in 2024 involves a multifaceted approach. From understanding the algorithm to crafting compelling content and engaging with the audience, each element plays a crucial role. It's a journey that requires persistence, adaptability, and a genuine passion for content creation. As we navigate the challenges and opportunities of this digital era, remember that success on YouTube is not an overnight feat. Stay dedicated, keep evolving, and success will follow. Happy creating.